Hello. Today we are coming to you from my garage. I'm doing cleaning for my truck for the Cadillac Escalade. I actually have it up for sale. So I'm just doing a lot of details. I just did the transfer case fluid flush. If you've watched my videos, we've done new tires. Pretty much all the maintenance required for the truck. But I'm just, cleaning it up for the next owner. I've washed it. I've used the F11, which you can see in the video. But right now I'm actually polishing the wheels. So I thought I'd do a quick video on how I guess the procedures that I take to polish the wheels to get them really clean. So we're going to be dealing with chrome rims, chrome wheels, but you could do this pretty much on any wheel. So that's what we're doing today. All right, so today I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be using for today. I bought this little kit. I usually do it by hand, but I just thought I'd use this wheel polishing kit. The kit comes with that foam applicator or foam, polishing foam brush or whatever you would call that. But it also comes with a metal polish. I usually use Meguiar's. I have some back there. So I have some that's in the form of a paste. This is a form of kind of like it's a paste also, but it's kind of a more liquid. And I'm using this. Obviously, this one I only use for the car, but it's pretty much like a magic eraser. This is some off-brand, like generic brand that I got off Amazon. You can get like 12 of these for, I don't know how much it was, probably like 10, 12 bucks. Some detail spray. It's a rinseless wash, and I use this for a lot of different things if you watch my videos. So that's what I'm going to be using today. Normally I do this by hand. I've never really used this up until today, but that's what we're going to start with today. All right, so here are my wheels. And my wheels, I just took a brush when I was washing the car. So it's not a great job, but I've rinsed them off and, cleaned them off, and that's what it looks like now. So you're also going to need some, I use these microfiber cloths. So you're going to need maybe one or two of these. And right now what I'm going to do, the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to use the magic eraser. Now with these, just be careful because these are abrasive. They don't look like it, but they will scratch the surface of your car. So I would never use this on the paint. I would use them on chrome wheels. I'm not sure. I've used them on powder coated, but it's something that's very light. You don't want to really press down. It's something that you can already tell. All you do is wet these. You get them soaked. I use the detail spray, but you can use water. It doesn't matter. And you're just going to go over the whole thing. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, so this magic eraser is going to leave a white residue. So you're going to have to wipe all that off. Okay, so the next step is, what I end up doing is I put some of this metal polish onto the microfiber, and I like to dab, just so that all the surfaces are coated. Okay, so once all the surfaces are coated, then I'll go ahead and I'll use this applicator. Usually you want to put some of this product on there. I've already used it on the other 3 wheels, so it's already pretty damp. So I'm not going to really add any more, maybe a little bit, and be careful because this will splash everywhere. If you sling it, it'll sling the paste everywhere once you get it going. then you just go ahead and start cleaning. Okay, from there you want to take a clean rag and you're just going to finish just buffing and polishing and taking any of the excess paste off. This will really bring out the shine in the chrome. And there you have it. Nice chrome polished wheels. Remember, these wheels, these are not the best. They're GM, the original, but so they flake on the inside. They're known for that. But still, for what they are, they've held up. These are from 2008. These are 11-year-old wheels, and this is probably the worst of the wheels. I think this one's got a little bit of, not a little bit, we got some curb rash on it. But the other ones are in a lot better shape. Just wanted to show you what the wheel looks like up close. And you can see my reflection there. And it's a mirror finish. So the polish does a really nice job of cleaning these wheels up. And these are the wheels that I got when I just put on the other video. You can check out with the tires. They're the original manufacturer tires. But just wanted to show you, that was the last wheel. I've actually done all of them. And you can see, they, the shine really comes out on these. And I'll show you the other ones. It does a really nice job of just making them look like new. That's the truck. You can see the paint with the F11. It's in really nice shape. All right, in regards to the foam cleaner, the kit comes with this cleaner. So you're supposed to apply an ounce of this to the foam applicator. And then you're supposed to dunk it under water and leave it in there for 15 minutes and then let it, rinse it out and let it air dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that just because I'll probably be using this again. I did like, the results that it brought out. It made things a little quicker. So I'm gonna give this product a thumbs up and I will be using it in the future. So. All right, so I just wanted to, let you know, that's pretty much it for the video. It's just a quick video. Wasn't planning on doing it. It's just something that I ended up polishing the wheels. It's something that I do all the time, but I just never really videoed it. And I wanted to, obviously talk a little bit about the Meguiar's product that I was trying out. I had bought it, I hadn't really used it, and I'm pretty happy with it. But just want to thank you all. We're getting pretty close to 1,000 subscribers. I think we're around 925 right now. So I want to thank everybody who's subscribed. And also really appreciate the people that have left comments. I enjoy going through them and responding to them. So just go ahead. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Please like, comment, and hit the notification bell and select all. So you get all my notifications when my videos come up. And I think the next video we're going to be doing is the putting in an air filter for this truck, actually, because I have a K&N that I had taken out to clean and I had never put back in. So we'll be doing a video shortly on that. Take care.